Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video we will learn how to fix ASUS monitor setting grayed out. If your ASUS monitor setting are grayed out or locked, follow these steps to disable HDR dimming mode and unlock OSD menu. Firstly, let's see why settings are grayed out. HDR is enabled in window or a monitor. Dim mode, console mode is enabled, variable refresh rate, adaptive sync is active, HDCP content is plain, OSD is locked in the monitor menu, then firmware issue or temporary glitch. Let's see step by step how to unlock ASUS monitor setting. Turn off HDR in window, right click desktop, then go to the setting, scroll down to HDR, turn off, use HDR, then restart your PC. Step 2, disable RIM mode on monitor. Open monitor OSD menu, then go to the RIM mode, select not tracing, then exit the menu. Display adaptive sync, right click desktop, go to the display setting, then advanced setting, turn off variable refresh rate. Step 4, check input source and cable. Use HDMI or DisplayPort, avoid using adapter or splitter. Try another cable if possible. Step 5, disable HDCP content. Turn off any streaming app to protect content. Play regular desktop content. Grayed out setting will become available. Then go to the unlock OSD. Go to system setup, OSD setup. Then set OSD lock off. Then exit menu. Step 7, power cycle monitor. Turn off the monitor, unplug power cable, wait 30 seconds, then plug in and turn on. Update firmware if available. Go to the ASUS support website, enter your monitor model, then go to the download latest firmware, update via USB if support. You can also go to their official website for more help. Let's see after fits and common mode lots. Here are the common mode lots. OSD settings are no longer read out. Enjoy full control of your ASUS monitor. Then see how to fix quit factory reset. Open OSD menu, go to the system setup, select all reset, confirm yes, then setting will restore to default. Here are the extra tips of the video. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.